Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I saw this picture of Umpumelelo when he was turning 1. And I personally was so fascinated, you guys, because when I saw this picture, I was just like, there's no way. I was like, there's no way, because this simply means Utirelo gave birth to Umpumelelo's twin. She gave birth to a replica of Umpumelelo. I'm like looking at these children and they're around. Not these children. I'm looking at this picture. Umpumelelo, he was turning 1 year, and I'm looking at Singabako's picture, and I'm just like, you'd swear these two people are the same person. In our tribes or in the black tribes, they normally say that when a child looks this much like you, you'd swear that the father was denying the child, because there's a saying that when a man denies the child comes out looking exactly like him. And I thought to myself, I don't know about that, but listen, this child is Umpumelelo as Dlalele. The only difference is that this child is light in complexion, obviously taking the complexion from the mother, but the rest, you guys, even the way the lips, the way Umpumelele's lips, and if you look at Usinga's lips, the exact same person. Like it's bizarre to me of how. And the funny thing, when I look at Umpumelelo, I think Umpumelelo and his brother, I forgot what Umnini is. Umpumelelo and Umnini are like, they look the exact same. And I used to think that these children don't look like Umselego, but listen, Umayeli gave birth to I feel like Umayeli gave birth to Umusa's replicas, because the more, like, sometimes when I look at Umpumelelo in different like angles from TV, I'm just like, I never ever saw it. I always thought they don't look alike. And now I'm starting to see how Umpumelelo and Umusa, they look alike, you guys. I just think maybe sometimes the age factor gets to contribute in the way a person's looking, but you're wow, guys. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. I think even Umpumelelo's relationship with Usingabako, and I'm saying relationship based on the small snippets and videos I get to see. Sometimes you'll see Umelelo driving somewhere and Usingabako is there, like, there with his father. It's so beautiful to see, you guys. And one thing I really want to say, I know that there's some people who have this type of mindset that when a guy is not acting right, then he shouldn't be entitled to his children, which is like, I feel like your child must never inherit the beef that you have with their parents. Let them have their own beef. Let them see things for themselves. But for as long as they are innocent, try and protect their child's image. Try and protect the image that the child has about their mother or their father. And I really do hope, I know this is not about Virazi, but I really do hope that even though Virazi is no longer in a relationship with Umpumelelo, that she never ever becomes a barrier to her son having a relationship with his father, just because they're no longer together. I know the daughter stays with Umayeni, so obviously she has created a beautiful bond with her father and with the family. But the son, according to my knowledge, stays with Uvuyogazi's family. And already when season 2 of Izingane Zestembu started, we saw ukuthi Umpumelelo did not even have access to see the child, just because Uvuyogazi was angry at him or mad at him and she was not picking up phone calls. So I really do hope, you guys, that she gets to a point where she does not rob the child of that experience, because remember, Usingabako and Uvuyogazi's child, guys, are around the same age. So it's easy for them to grow up and Vuyogazi's son to feel as if Umpumelelo is more there and present for Usingabako than him, only to find out that it was the mother who was a contributing factor to that. The mother whenever she was angry, didn't want him to see the child, and that's gonna really create animosity between the children and make the children feel like the other one's loved more than the other, whereas it was just the mothers. Utirelo's willing to make her child or willing to let her child get to know the father more than Uvuyolazi at this point by the looks of things. And remember, guys, even no Tirelo's child, the last time we checked, Upubelelo has not paid damages for that child. So it's not that, Utirelo is doing something that, like doing something by the privilege of or by virtue of Umpumelelo doing right to her. She even said at some point that she had not, her and the baby had not seen Umpumelelo for a while. But it doesn't seem like she's preventing the child from having a relationship. They are so close, you guys, from the videos, the snippets of the videos that they get to both post on their stories. As opposed to Uvuyokazi, I know whatever Uvuyokazi is going through might be different and we process things in a different way. All I'm saying is that I just hope as parents and as Black people, we come to a place where we realize and we don't rob our children the opportunity of getting to know their parents for themselves. And if we truly believe that this person's a bad person, best believe your child sooner or later is going to be able to see that this person's a bad child. Just don't, do that on behalf of them, whereas the children are really innocent. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. You guys, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.